Struggling to study while your classmate flies through pages? You might just learn differently. Let's find your study style and match it with the right LWES tools. Let's start with visual learners. If you love pictures, charts, diagrams, or you remember landmarks better than street names, this is you. LWES has curated resources just for visual learners like you. We have the Bronze Clinical Crash Course, the ANCC Max Bundle, the complete ANCC Test Prep Bundle, and the ANCC Practice Question Test Bank Bundle. All of our PowerPoints come with optional voiceovers so you can go at your pace or learn alongside Professor Walden's energetic lectures. Now onto auditory learners. You love hearing information. Whether it's a podcast, an audiobook, or lectures in the background, audio is your jam. Most LWES courses come with full voiceover lectures. Play them while cooking, driving, or even working out. Many of our alumni even said their kids started quoting clinical pearls. Reading learners, this one's for you. You thrive with handouts, text, and written notes. You're that co-pilot who remembers every street name. Every LWES resource supports reading learners. We include transcripts, downloadable handouts, voiceover scripts, and outline books so you can read and reread to your heart's content. Last but not least, tactile learners. You learn best with hands-on practice and sensory engagement. You want to do not just listen or watch. We've got you covered too. Try our practice question test bank to engage multiple senses. Plus, our outline books are designed for writing, highlighting, and interacting. So, what kind of studier are you? Visual, auditory, reading, or tactile? No matter your learning style, there's a way to prep smarter with LWES. Ready to pass your NP board exam your way? Visit Latrina Walden Exam Solutions.com and choose a test prep bundle that fits you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us your learning style. Let's pass these boards together.